Will you hold still? I'm trying to reattach your darn head.
Yeah, well, it got blown off protecting your rusty bolts from that Traggy-mite Slayer.
My bolts aren't rusty. They just haven't been used in a while.
Ratchet! Are you okay?
No. He's gone. Clank's gone. Why didn't I just listen to him? He was right. He's always right. I should have destroyed that thing when I had the chance.
Hello, Ratchet.
Clank!
I am glad you are okay.
Yeah, me too. I mean, you too.
Ratchet.
I hate to interrupt, but my senses indicate a Cragmite armada rapidly approaching Meridian City.
That's a capital. Ratchet, you need to get there and serve a service station. I'll make sure service repair crop.